Go over here and sit down. Okay.
Good job. What's in that one?
Ooh, that's yummy.
Hard candy.
Nice. Aren't those nice? Look at the bat. Who is that?
Here, I'll get it.
You know, dude.
Okay, Jack.
Hey, dude.
Hey, open
Oh, big boy can.
Wow.
Jack.
He said enough of the toys, enough of the clothes.
Jack, come sit over here.